Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we review the best products on the market today. Today, we're diving into the world of baby care with the Pampers Aqua Pure Sensitive Baby Wipes, touted as one of the best wipes available.
Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Pampers Aqua Pure Wipes are designed with your baby's delicate skin in mind.
Made with 99% pure water, these wipes are hypoallergenic and free from alcohol, fragrance, parabens, and latex. This makes them not only gentle but also safe for even the most sensitive skin types. The packaging features a convenient one-wipe pop top, ensuring that each wipe stays fresh and moist until you need it.
Perfect for busy parents who want reliability and convenience. These wipes are more than just water.
They're pH balanced to help maintain your baby's healthy skin barrier, which is crucial for preventing irritation and discomfort.
Clinically proven to be gentle, they're ideal for daily use and can complement Pampers Pure Protection diapers seamlessly. What's impressive is how effective they are despite being so gentle. They effortlessly clean messes while hydrating the skin, leaving a soothing sensation with every wipe. Compared to other wipes on the market, Pampers Aqua Pure stands out for its purity and effectiveness. While slightly higher in price, the peace of mind and quality you get are worth every penny. In terms of cost per wipe and overall value, these packs offer competitive pricing, especially when bought in bulk. Thousands of parents swear by these wipes, and it's easy to see why. Let's hear what some had to say. From reducing diaper rash to being the go-to choice for sensitive skin, these wipes have earned glowing reviews across the board. So, are Pampers Aqua Pure Sensitive Baby Wipes worth it? Absolutely. They combine purity, gentle care, and practicality in one package. Whether you're a new parent or a seasoned pro, having these wipes on hand is a game changer. If you're ready to experience the difference, click the link in the description to get your hands on Pampers Aqua Pure Sensitive Baby Wipes today. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and make the best choices for you and your family.